Want to create beautiful, mobile-friendly landing pages without any coding? Here's how to use the Page Builder in QR Code Kit. Log into your QR Code Kit account. Click Create QR and select Landing Page. Here, you will find a set of elements already in place, an image and 2 texts. You can edit those by clicking on them or add new ones from the top bar. New elements added to your landing page will appear at the bottom. You can then organize them by clicking and holding the dots on their top left side, or delete them by clicking the trash icon. Starting with the text element, you can use it for both titles and texts. You can set the text size, alignment, and font style. The link button element will allow you to insert a URL. After adding one, you can enter a button text like a call to action. The image element allows you to upload an image. You can then set its size, shape, and even add a URL to it. The video embed element allows you to enter a video URL, perfect for YouTube videos directly on your landing page. The social icons element allows you to add all your social media profiles URLs. The File button element, much like the Link button, allows you to upload a file of up to 10 megabytes. You can then send its button text. Lastly, the HTML editor opens up the Page Builder to infinite possibilities. If you know HTML, you know how to use this element. We will focus on use cases for it in a future video. After building your page, you can click Save below or check our video on how to customize the look of your landing page. See you next time.